Right, welcome back. Today we're doing another video on doing some stuff to the trailer. Let me just spin you around. Right, okay. This won't make a lot of sense at the minute, but we're going to be fitting this storage box to the side, and we're doing a 2-inch lift kit on the trailer. And the reason for this is because I'm not happy with the way it's sitting when it's on the back of the Land Rover. It's like the back end of the trailer is sagging. It's not level, if you know what I mean. You'll see it. You'll see what I mean anyway. I'll take you out to the trailer. I'll show you what we're going to be doing. Right, not the trailer. So I've already marked out where that box is going. I'll be cutting that out, and then I'll have to whip these wheels off because, as you can see, there we go, that's where the axle bolts. So we're going to sandwich a spacer block in between there, basically. I've made it myself. Right, we'll go back in and I'll show you. Right, so these are spacer blocks that I've made. It's just some box section basically. Drill some holes. I'll put some crush tubes, tack welds of those in the middle. I probably don't need them, but belt and braces and all that. So I've got 2 of them. I believe it's what, 50mm box. So that'll give me roughly 2-inch lift. And then the trailer should sit level with the Land Rover then. And then this here, just put a coat of paint on this. That is a frame for this box to sit on, because they've got this, there's a bit of a standoff here where the sort of hinges, so I couldn't mount it flush, so that's what that little divot bit there is. But that'll make more sense when I cut it and offer it up. So let's go and cut the side of that trailer and make some room for it. Right then, welcome back. What you find us doing, we're doing a lift kit on this camping trailer. This is something I've made myself. I've probably showed you these in a previous video. Just take this out of here a minute. They're a bit Heath Robinson, but they'll do the job. So 50mm box section. I'm not gonna undo these smaller nuts here, put the longer ones in, drop this axle down, slip the lift block in, and then lift the axle back up. That should give us a bit more clearance. Plus I'm not happy with the way it sits when it's on the back of the Land Rover as well. I'll drop her a picture in now, but it's like that basically. So yeah, I'm going to whip these nuts off now, put the longer ones in, and then just let it suspend, and then I'll go do that other side, and then come back and do this side. So let's get you set up and you can have a watch. Right, I'll come back to a Sunday. So that side we've got suspended. We're now going to remove the bolts from this side, load it down in a jack, insert the block, put the long bolts in, jack it up, bolt it up, same on the other side, and the job should be done. So let's get these bolts on and I'll get this lowered. Right, that's one side done. Now to move over there and do the other side, and then bank wheels on. Let's see what sort of clearance we've got. Right, that's wheels back on and tightened up. So, yeah, you see the spacer blocks there. And now I hooked it back up to Disco. You can see it's sitting quite level, to be honest with you. Which is what I've been after. It's not sat on the piss on back. So 2-inch lift on Disco, and now this has got 2-inch lift. So yeah, quite happy with that now. Yep, so we'll leave it at that. I'll wrap this up, and then next video will be cutting a hole in there, putting a side locker in. So that should be fun, cutting a hole in that. I've just been paid about a year now, so. But anyway, we shall see you again in another video.